Hi everyone, I'm PJ Podesta with Innovation Law Lab based in Oakland. On July 16th, the Trump administration announced yet another attack on refugees, an asylum transit ban. If allowed to proceed, this new rule will effectively block people fleeing persecution from seeking asylum in the US if they pass through another country while traveling to safety. For example, Central Americans forced to flee home and risk extreme danger traveling through Mexico to reach the United States would be ineligible for asylum. On July 24th, the federal court will hear arguments in our case against the new rule, in which Innovation Law Lab has joined East Bay Sanctuary Covenant, Al Otro Lado, and Central American Resource Center of Los Angeles to oppose this unlawful and racist attempt to dismantle protections for people fleeing persecution. The new rule is in clear violation of the Immigration and Nationality Act and the Administrative Procedure Act, as well as the United States international treaty obligations. And it is designed to punish and exclude immigrants of color. This becomes even clearer viewed next to the administration's similar efforts to ban people from Muslim-majority countries, to carry out mass separation of Central American immigrant families, to return to Mexico over 20,000 refugees under the Remain in Mexico policy, to terrorize immigrant communities with the threat of raids, to further expand the mass caging of immigrants in prisons and camps, and so on. To defend this appalling new policy, the administration attempts to argue that refugees are really able to reach safety in the places they travel through before reaching the US. Not even the administration itself believes this. For example, in a speech in January, President Trump admitted that migrants face rampant physical and sexual violence as they transit through Mexico. This and other systemic violence is only worsening, with homicides and kidnappings increasing in border towns where migrants are unlawfully forced by US officials to wait for a chance to seek asylum. The administration views this violence as deterrence, but folks forced to flee home have shown that they won't be deterred from reaching safety for themselves and their loved ones. We will continue to oppose this new attempt to dismantle asylum and any attempt to exclude and endanger marginalized people. In San Francisco, community members in solidarity are rallying outside federal court and attending the first hearing in this case. Plaintiff organizations have organized an online fundraiser to support our work at the web address bit.ly/defendasylum. That's capital D and capital A. So it's bit.ly/defendasylum, capital D, capital A. Find out more at innovationlawlab.org. We hope you'll stand with us.